I want to convey mainly one message that the more you sweat, the less you bleed. The much more we practice, the less we suffer in exam. Why? Because in exam we feel much very tense. If we master our concepts in our practice, then we'll easily answer the questions and we may get top ranks.
Hi guys, welcome to Camel TV Toppers, an initiative by Unacademy. I'm your host Parneet Kaur, and today we are having a beautiful conversation with Arfat, who has just qualified NEET 2020 with All India rank 18. So let's have a beautiful conversation with Arfat. Hi Arfat, how are you?
Hi ma'am, I am fine. How are you?
How are you feeling in Delhi?
I'm feeling very happy.
Okay.
I am exploring new places, enjoying, just relaxing.
Okay.
After having a serious preparation of 2 years, now I am fully relaxing.
So, Arfat, how's the experience from South to North South India to North India? Like, what are the new experiences?
First, I experienced a climate change,
Okay.
and then the food, and then the people surrounding me. It is totally new, and I am feeling excited about knowing
New people.
Yes.
Okay. When did you have this dream, like, of becoming a doctor? When did you decide? When did you decide to be a doctor?
I decided to become a doctor when I was in 8th class, ma'am.
Okay.
By seeing newspapers, I inspired to be doctor.
Okay.
When I see newspaper, first I saw a poster, a rank poster.
Okay.
Then I realized I want to be in that position.
Okay.
And I asked mom to be my doctor. Okay, she granted. And I am going to become a doctor first from my family, ma'am.
Okay. So no one is in your family.
No one in my family is doctor. I am the first to become the doctor.
Okay. So when you started actually preparing for the exam, like it was new. Like I have met many students who have a background of doctors, but you don't have it. So how was it? कैसा experience था? कैसे आपने start किया preparation?
I have foundation of maths and biology in 8th class, ma'am.
Okay.
But in 9th class, when I found doctor is interesting in 8th class,
Okay.
in 9th class I took biology as a route, foundation.
Okay.
From there I started reading, studying. Then I had college. I dreamt to be in that section. Why? Because many toppers are from that section. Okay. So I want to be one of the members from that section. So I worked hard, ma'am.
Okay.
And then I selected in 10th class. They selected me by keeping a test.
Okay.
In intermediate, firstly I felt tough, heavy competition. Then when I depressed my father and my brother, parents,
Okay.
they used to encourage me. No, don't worry. This is not the final. You have final exam.
Okay.
Okay. I then restart with new confidence,
Okay.
excitement.
Great.
Then I slowly improved, ma'am.
Okay. So like it was a big challenge. Like initially you said that you got depressed. You feel some failures also.
Yes,
so like what was the thing inside you that motivated that I want to be a doctor anyhow?
In my town, in my area, many people, doctors were not that much qualified or not that much perfect, ma'am.
Okay.
Like they are not giving treatment up to that mark as I expected.
Okay.
So I want to establish a good hospital in my area after I becoming doctor. So it strongly into my mind, ma'am.
Great. So like you said that you got into an institute where you started your preparing for like from 11th standard or 10th standard after intermediate. Na? Okay. So like how it started, like there are a lot of students who are preparing for NEET exams. Lot of students are preparing. So like how should they start? Like you are our inspiration for them right now, na? So you please tell them how to start. And what are the things they should do? Like if I talk about biology.
In biology, we have to perfectly read NCERT books, ma'am.
Okay.
It is only the main book and the best book.
Okay.
We should read every line perfectly.
Okay.
We should highlight the important points, and we should read introduction page also. Why? Because there is a possibility of asking questions from that also.
Okay.
In we have to read exemplar also, ma'am. NCERT exemplar. In that, extra information will be provided,
Okay.
and we have to solve the questions which are given in the exercises.
Okay.
After the chapter, they will ask questions from exercises. We have to keep our focus more on that, and we have to search in internet about that question. We can know about much more knowledge about what we need.
See, like Khadir, many people, like I have taken interviews of many NEET toppers, and everyone says like you have to go for NCERT.
Yes, ma'am.
But people are reading NCERT, but then also they are not able to like get that good marks. So can you please like help them with some good tips so that they can actually take that whole NCERT into them and perform good in their exams?
Yes, ma'am. I can. First, they have to read NCERT line by line, ma'am.
Okay.
Then they have to keep in brackets, or they have to highlight the points which they have confusion,
Okay.
and then they have to read diagrams,
Okay.
labeling parts,
Okay.
the matter which was given below diagrams,
Okay.
and they have to prepare short notes
Okay.
of points which they are confused or not remembering,
Mm-hmm.
and then they have to read summary, ma'am.
Okay.
Based on that, they will have separate section exercises.
Okay.
After that lesson, they have to solve that, and they have to Google, I mean search in internet for the answers for that, so that the NCERT has focused on that questions.
Okay.
So the paper will also be focused from that questions. The paper questions will be extracted.
Right.
So we have to acquire much more knowledge about the answers of those questions, ma'am.
Okay, means you have to the question, the topic you're talking, you at least get some additional knowledge as well, so that like you're prepared for that, you're prepared that topic 100%.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great.
And then we have to move to exemplar, ma'am.
Okay.
In exemplar, there will be many extra points. If we read, it will be sufficient, ma'am. It will be perfect.
So Arfat, like you have already told me that how to read NCERT. Are there any other things that students need to do for making their biology strong, because it is a 50% of your exam?
Yes, ma'am.
So any additional things they need to do?
Additional means in internet they will provide some question banks, ma'am.
Okay.
If they solve it, we will acquire wide range of areas. Because in one area they will focus one point,
Okay.
in another area they will focus another point.
Yeah.
So if we solve more bits, we will acquire knowledge in every field, in every area. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. It is like
So like you need to little bit go beyond the NCERT and just read about the topics, and you will take the help of internet.
yes, ma'am. We have
And
to-
like, did you go for coaching institute, any coaching institute,
College,
or you
ma'am.
did college?
Sri Chaitanya Junior College. I have studied my intermediate and coaching for NEET simultaneously, ma'am.
Okay. So do you feel that students must have coaching, or they can do
Yes, ma'am.
this?
They must have coaching. Why? Because
Okay.
teachers at that coaching will have much experience.
Right.
They know in which then they will be knowing in which area the questions will come, in which area the matter should be focused.
Right.
So they simplify the NCERT and teach us in a
Simple language.
simple language. So we can in less time we will be acquiring every part of NCERT into our
Okay.
brain.
So like, is it like when this is like students start from the 11th standard of the 11th standard preparation. So how could they manage their whole schedule, like with academics and with reading NCERTs and giving mocks, so that after 12th they are ready for their NEET?
I took state board, ma'am.
Okay.
I used to read state board books and NCERT books.
Okay.
There were many count points, so it is easy for me to prepare for both exams.
Okay.
We should not neglect for NEET exam while we are preparing for boards.
Okay.
Because in that there is biology, in this there is biology.
Okay.
The areas which were not covered in board, they may come in NEET. So we
Right.
have to read both, ma'am.
Okay, so like students should also keep focus on their boards, because at the end it is biology that is about to come in your board exams. Okay, so like after the biology, next is physics. Like I want to ask the strategy of physics. How like you started your journey with physics from the 11th standard?
I took foundation from 9th class, ma'am.
Okay.
In that I strengthened my physics.
Okay, great.
So generally physics is the way we apply our logics. It does not matter what we remembered. Just in the way of answer, we reached the answer in many ways, ma'am.
Okay.
But I had foundation in my 9th class and 10th class, so it is easy to me. I know in which way we have to approach.
Okay.
So it is better to take foundation from 9th class for physics and chemistry.
Okay. So okay, so students should like start. You want to say like students should start their journey from 9th standard,
class for
8th,
physics
9th,
and chemistry.
so that they can make. They should make their base strong.
Yes, ma'am.
But like you said, there are many students I have seen like who just don't know what to do, and suddenly they feel like that after 11th or 12th they feel like that I want to become a doctor. So how could they complete their whole syllabus and perform well in the exams?
Okay, they will prepare for boards, ma'am. While they are preparing, they should note the formulas and the graph questions.
Okay.
It is formulas and graph questions covers almost more than half part in physics paper, ma'am.
Okay.
And then they have to solve the numericals which were provided after the lesson in the NCERT book. If they solve it, it is necessary for is NEET exam, ma'am. Why? Because in this year, in that numerical problem questions that were more tougher than in NEET question. I mean, in NCERT they give much more standard.
Okay.
If we prepare to this, it is sufficient, ma'am.
Okay. So Irfat, do you like want to tell students this is the don't and do's of biology? Any points you want to mention?
In do's and don'ts of biology, in first reading NCERT, we will read one part of line. We will recall that other line. That it will be like that. It will be like that.
Okay.
So we should not do like that. We have to read every point, every word.
Okay.
Why? Because I did, and in first revision I read only part of lines, and when I faced biology paper in mock test,
Okay.
I didn't recall. I struck in two options. It may be this and that, and it consumes a lot. So we have to read every word of that in NCERT line, ma'am.
Okay.
And in solving biology paper also, we should read every line of question and answer, ma'am.
Okay.
Why? Because they will ask question not incorrect or not correct like that. So that we have to check every word of question, and we have to see every option also, ma'am.
Okay.
In last they may give both A and B or like that.
So Arfat, in physics we are talking. So what are the things that student like? What are do's and don't of physics?
First, we have to, in physics, we should not do mind calculations, ma'am.
Okay.
We are not calculators, we are humans. So we may do mistake in that time stress. In like that, we have to keep our pen and paper, and we should do calculation.
Okay.
We should do formula. We should approach the answer step by step,
Okay.
and we should not spend much time on one question. We should pass one after the other. At last, it may remain. Surely, it will remain minimum 15 minutes, ma'am.
Okay.
In that area, we will think and we can answer that question.
Okay.
There are many ways to approach answer, but if we have a practice in our general internal test, or we can easily approach answer in the simple way, ma'am.
Simple way.
We can answer, but it consumes time.
Have you not figured out how to study biology for the pre-medical exams? Well, I have been there in that place, but come out of it to realize that you can enjoy the subject too. And I can show you how you can do the same. Understand the fundamentals and become a master in biology. Over the course of 1.5 years, I have helped over 100 students clear the pre-medical exams. Learn with me and you will be able to score 340 plus in biology. I am Pranav Pundarik and I teach live for pre-medical exams on Unacademy Plus.
So like students should practice a lot if they really want to crack that question up in a matter of second. They have to do a lot of practice, and that comes with practice only when you are quick in attempting the question. So I will suggest students that go for a lot of practice during your preparation. Just don't skip the numerical part, which is I think very, very important in physics. Any in physics we are talking, like I think many students struggle in physics and in any of the subjects, depends. Like you want to specifically mention any chapters or point that students should read this,
Yes,
they can
ma'am.
focus on
Yes,
particular topics.
In first year, NCERT chapter reading is not that much necessary.
Okay.
You can do directly exercises which were provided at the end of chapter.
Okay.
But in second year, reading the second half, like electricity chapter, semiconductors chapter,
Okay.
and atomic structure chapter, we have to read that line by line and observe graphs, values,
Okay.
and they will give points to ponder. It is very important. We should read that section.
Okay. So means in second year, the
Main.
12th one, like there are a lot of important chapters that students must focus specifically. Great. So if we talk about chemistry, how like you started with chemistry?
I made my foundation strong in my 9th class, in 10th class about physical chemistry.
Okay.
So it became easy for me to in intermediate not to spend much time on physical chemistry. So I prepared much time on inorganic and organic.
Okay. So what are the important topics that students should focus like while studying in 11th and 12th, and specifically of chemistry?
In chemistry, inorganic in inorganic chapters,
Okay.
they should read they should remember orders, ma'am. In metallurgy chapter, they will provide many values. We should not focus on that values, just remember order. In inorganic chemistry, we should not focus on the diagrams as that of the biology, because these were rough estimations.
Okay.
We should have a look on it and just remember it. That's all. We should not. We need not to be spend much time on it.
And anything like you want to that students should specifically do in chemistry?
In chemistry also it is similar to biology, ma'am.
Okay.
So we should read organic part line by line.
Okay.
Like that of biology, we should read organic and inorganic part, ma'am.
Okay.
That organic part will be like interesting. Why? Because maps one after the other. It's like a game. It's like a game, ma'am. We should
Okay.
identify the missing part like that.
Great. So like you said, so in chemistry also we have to go through NCERT only.
Yes, ma'am.
The NCERTs are
for
sufficient.
inorganic sufficient, ma'am.
Okay.
I did like that, ma'am. For inorganic, I read NCERT.
Okay.
For organic, I followed MS Chauhan book. Other books for specifics. And they will, in our coaching institute provided papers, ma'am,
Okay.
in which areas we have to focus, like that. And for physical part, I followed some other books for physical chemistry.
Okay.
And we have to solve much more questions on organic and physical. I followed my physical chemistry for other references.
Okay.
In physical chemistry also we have to do as like that of physics. Because in that also numerical problems will be. And to approach answer, we will definitely will get answer, but it consumes a time. To approach answer in a simple way, in easy time, we have to do a lot of practice.
Okay. Great. So means some other books can be referred but specifically go for NCERTs only.
Yes,
In all three subjects. Great. So you prepared for almost. Did you take any drop?
No, ma'am. I'm
Okay,
just
you just qualified with that's really great. Congratulations
Thanks,
for that. And so, how to like lot of questions students ask this question, like how to like learn all these, like keep on revising these whole 2 years, this whole syllabus, to how to keep these stuffs in your mind.
Yes, ma'am. Firstly, in NCERT, in one page there will be much more other information, like do you know, like that sentence will be very lot, ma'am.
Okay.
We will have an important points in one page, like only 10 lines will be important. Remaining are all the NCERT members try to explain us in an easy way, so they add like that, and we feel it as a complex. So we have to write a short notes, ma'am. We have to first prepare a short notes. In that we should write which points were important, and then we have to follow that points.
Okay.
And we have to prepare a series of short notes, ma'am. I prepared roughly 3 short notes.
Okay. Three notebooks.
3 notebooks.
Okay.
Three times, ma'am.
Three
times
times.
I filtered. I mean, in CRT, some points will be, ma'am.
Okay.
In that first short notes, from first short notes, I prepared second one.
Okay.
From second one, third one.
Okay.
At last,
Great.
I only revised it third time I filtered.
Okay, means you prepared, this is something nice you told me, that you prepared your notes 3 times. You are kind of revising also, and you were like taking the best part
Best
of it.
part, yes,
So like best part will be remembered like every 3 times you are revising, and you can you can keep that third notebook at the end of the times
ma'am.
of revising.
I
That's
did like
really
that.
nice strategy, guys. You must follow it. Like we generally revise it like
Whole book.
orally, but you can make your notes and like take out the best part, best important part, and eventually you will come to like in a very precise way you can revise your complete NCERTs. That's really great. So you have prepared your 3 times you prepared your notebook. Like at the end of the after your 12th board, and like in the mid of that, like if 2-3 months, like be prepared for exams? Like what
Before-
should he do?
Before 2 to 3 months of exam, ma'am. Before 2 to 3 months of exam, we have to spare our maximum time for biology, ma'am.
Okay.
Why? Because we should be perfect with physics and chemistry. Why? Because remembering part will be much from biology.
Okay.
We should prepare much biology. That's all.
Okay, means you must focus on biology,
Biology
because
mainly.
it is on next physics, chemistry is almost practical, which you have to like keep in, like it will be in your mind
Yes,
with
ma'am.
practice.
Just application.
Application is important. Okay, great. So like when the day came of your exam, that we call it a D-Day, so were you nervous, or how was the situation, how was it, and how did you how the exam went?
I generally I feel that much tension and in the exam session that I will sometimes write my mother's phone number instead of my roll number.
Okay.
But on the day of exam, I am that much cool that I cannot describe in my words. So I just ate simple food afternoon to prevent sleep,
Okay.
and I didn't feel any anxiety. I don't know why, but I didn't feel anxiety,
Great.
and I didn't exhaust much. And I proceeded my exam. I just saw paper and I felt it was easy paper, so I relieved my some tension
Okay.
and I started from biology.
But do you want to suggest any like things to the student that they should like do on the D-Day, on the day of exam, or they should not do some things?
On the day of exam, we should not refer NCERT books like that, ma'am. Why? Because
Okay.
we can on the day of it is in 1 hour, 2 hours, there will not be that much change, ma'am. We have already learnt, we have already revised.
Okay.
Everything is present in our mind. Just we have to be cool and we should not be tensed.
Okay.
So that if we feel tense, we will feel anxious and we will not read every line. We just assume that part of line and we will leave it.
Leave it.
Maybe that important content may remain in that part.
Yeah.
We may miss it, we may do mistakes. So we have to remain cool, ma'am.
Okay, just you have to relax, have good food, and just don't go for studies on the day of exam. Just go for your exam, have it, give it, and just be relaxed. Great. So, so how are you feeling right now? Like you are in AIMS Delhi. So, what is the thing you like? Whatever you have thought in your dreams to becoming a doctor. So, how are you experiencing those things?
In intermediate college, I dreamt of to be joined in AIMS MBBS college.
Okay.
Every time I feel exam, every time before beginning the exam, after selection to here, I am feeling very happy.
Okay.
So that I am becoming a good quality doctor because AIMS Delhi is a top college in MBBS.
Okay.
And here in this college I am seeing a wide variety of diversity, like that of whole India is in AIMS Delhi. Why? Because many people are coming from many states,
Yeah.
and we see a variety of diversity.
And one thing I want to ask you, Arfat, like what is the like I want one point from you. What is the thing that made you topper? Like you are 18th rank
Yes,
holder, right? So what do you think? What is the one thing you feel that this thing made me a topper?
Ma'am, I used to solve the questions very rapidly, ma'am.
Okay.
I complete. I will maximum try to complete my biology paper in 20 minutes.
Okay.
Chemistry
So-
40 minutes, like that.
okay.
So that I may coolly or relaxedly do the physics questions, calculations step by step. First, we have to prevent silly mistakes, ma'am.
Okay.
By thorough practice, I prevented my maximum silly mistakes,
Okay.
and my advantage is I can do fastly, ma'am, questions.
Okay,
In
so your
biology,
speed is the
speed
thing
is
that made you a topper, because you have spent a lot of time for the where you really need to invest it, like for physics calculation. So that's really great, nice. So Arfat, there are a lot of questions that students has asked. There are a lot of audience questions. So I want you to please answer those questions, and students will feel actually good. Those who are preparing. So. This question from Natasha: what are the books required for biology? Is it only NCERT or other books along with NCERT, keeping NCERT as a main study material?
We should need surely other than NCERT also. We should, but our first preference should be complete thoroughly NCERT.
Okay.
And then we have to proceed to exemplar,
Okay.
and then through other books like Singage or fingertips, like that. They have bulk amount of questions.
Okay.
We can do much practice and we have a command on it.
Okay, so you can go with some practice books,
Yes, ma'am.
which will make your studies
Question
perfect.
banks.
Okay, great. Next question is from that one strong boy. Okay, is cramming things in subject important, or only making concepts clear is sufficient?
We need both. We need both.
Okay.
Why? Because in every concept, in every topic, we cannot approach. We cannot answer the question through concepts application.
Right.
Why? Because even scientists cannot define the exact reason to that.
Right.
So scientists will give their values experimentally. We should have to mug up some topics.
Okay.
And in physics and chemistry, there will be very minute. So we have to mainly we have to approach through conceptual application.
Okay, so we can say like biology you have to like learn the things, but physics, chemistry you can apply the concepts and clear. Okay, great. So there is question from Krishna Patel. How they study biology beside NCERT? Again the same kind of question. What to do to not forget what we read in biology? This is also very important. What to do to not forget what we read in biology?
First, we have to prepare short notes mainly.
Okay.
In that short notes, we have to write our points which we are able to forget, and we can stick that short notes on where we study room or something. When we see it, it will be recalled in our mind. So we cannot forget by seeing that.
So next question is from Jenny. She asked how to prepare for theoretical questions of physics and chemistry.
In theoretical questions of physics, chemistry, we have to apply the concepts.
Okay.
Formula does not work there, so we should read the chapters.
Okay.
We can learn the concepts and we have to apply that.
Okay.
Formulas only applicable to numerical problems.
Okay.
We should read chapter and we should listen the class. If we listen the class, the teacher will say what happens afterward, the procedure, everything. We should have to listen concentrately class.
Okay, so means theoretical part will be done by conceptual studies and formulas for you learn the formulas for practice. Okay. There is a question from Swaraj Mazindar. He asked how to tackle the organic chemistry for basics of class 11th.
Okay, for tackle the organic chemistry, we should prepare our maps, ma'am.
Okay.
From one compound, we have to, like spider web, we should write equations, we should practice equations, so that in exam time we may not confuse, or we may not take much time. In less time we can approach the answer.
Okay.
We should mainly prepare maps, ma'am.
Mainly prepare maps.
Equation.
Okay. So अर्फत बहुत सारी क्वेश्चंस हमने आपसे पूछे रिगार्डिंग स्टडीज. अब हम थोड़ा सा क्विकली रैपिड फायर राउंड करेंगे जिसमें आपसे मैं स्टडीज से बाहर क्वेश्चंस पूछूंगी एंड यू हैव टू आंसर मी क्विकली. व्हाट इज द वन फूड दैट यू वुड नेवर गिव अप?
My favorite food is sweet, ma'am, which we call in our language is kajikaya. In Hindi it is modak.
Okay.
It tastes very sweet, and if my friend is eating, I will grab from his hand. I will like.
Great. So आप बहुत मिस कर रहे होंगे वहाँ साउथ के मोदक, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Kanchikai. Great. When thing breaks, do you prefer to fix them or replace them?
It depends on situation, ma'am.
Okay.
If situation is my hands, I will maximum try to fix it.
Okay.
Why? Because if I have to replace it, it consumes a much more little bit time. So I maximum try to fix it if I use in my hands. Then if it was out my hands, and then I will try to replace it, ma'am.
Okay, great. So what are you most looking forward to in the next 10 years?
In next 10 years, I want to become a good neurologist.
Okay.
And I want to establish a good hospital in my town, and I want to serve the people, and I want to, because my father is farmer.
Okay.
And I want my parents to be in a high position, like in
You want to.
bungalows, like
Okay.
that, rich, looking rich like that,
Okay.
and
So
I want to keep them happy.
all the best. God will surely make that things happen. What is something you learned in this particular year, this 2020, I will say?
In 2020, I learned, first of all, health is wealth, ma'am.
Right.
Why? Because health is our prime importance. To do anything, to do work or anything, we have to have mainly health. Health is our main priority, and then we should spare our time with our friends, families, not only concentrating on our way, but we should spare some time.
For a,
They may give suggestions which will be useful
yeah.
for our mind recreation, relaxation, for relieving our depression.
Right.
Like that.
Exactly. Okay. If you could learn any language fluently, what would it be?
मैं लैटिन सीखना चाहता हूँ. लैटिन, ग्रीस. Why? Because ये biology concepts course, तो biology concepts they were first basically written in Latin and Greece.
Okay.
I want to master that biology topics in a perfect manner, so I want to learn Latin or Greek languages.
Okay. Great. Okay. This is the last question. Okay, would you leave your hometown forever or stay in your hometown forever? This is a big question for doctors because like America just want to take our doctors, like just come to us. So will you leave your hometown or not?
Maximum, I won't leave my hometown, ma'am.
Okay.
Nothing is greater than our hometown, ma'am. Why? Because this is the one which brought me up from small kid to big one. So I won't leave my hometown, ma'am.
Okay, never.
I have to serve. I have to serve them. I have to fulfill what they gave to me.
Okay, great. That's really nice thought. Thank you so much, Arfat, for such lovely answers. And so thank you so much for such lovely answers, Arfat. And आपके बहुत अच्छे थॉट्स हैं एंड आई एम श्योर कि आप उनको पूरा करेंगे. एंड दिस इज़ अ स्मॉल टोकन ऑफ एप्रिसिएशन फ्रॉम अन अकेडमी CDWT and I hope you will like it.
Thank you, ma'am. Nice.
And I want like you to tag any of your friend whom you want us to have a good conversation.
I like to tag Rushit Mallidi.
Okay.
He talks very nice manner and he conveys a message which is important to NEET aspirants.
So of course, thank you so much, Arfat, and we'll surely connect with Rushid and we'll have a beautiful conversation with him as well, and we'll get very good advices as you said. So this was really wonderful session, Arfat. I really want that if you want to give any message to the students, the aspirants who are preparing for NEET, any of the message you want to give.
I want to convey mainly one message, that the more you sweat, the less you bleed. The much more we practice, the less we suffer in exam. Why? Because in exam we feel much very tense. If we master our concepts in our practice, then we will easily answer the questions and we may get top ranks.
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच अर्फत. आपने बहुत अच्छी बातें बताई हमें एंड आपकी अपनी जर्नी अपने डिस्कस की. स्टूडेंट्स को काफ़ी कुछ चीज़ें पता चली, बहुत सारे सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड, बहुत सारी चीज़ें लाइफ से एंड बहुत सारी चीज़ें फ्यूचर से भी. लाइक यू सेड दैट आई वांट टू बी एट माय होम टाउन, आई वांट टू सर्व दैट, एंड दैट्स रियली ग्रेट थॉट लाइक अ स्टूडेंट मस्ट हैव in this like today's time. And thank you so much, and I really want to ask, how was the experience at CTWT?
I want to really thanks for CTWT of an academy to express my inner feelings for the NEET aspirants.
Okay.
I have a feeling that I should express. I mean, I have to inspire other people. It came true with the help of CTWT of an academy.
Okay.
Thanks for giving this golden opportunity.
Great, thank you so much. You yourself made your way such brilliantly that students will of course follow your way, the path you have followed, and I really congratulate you for your success, and I wish you all the best for more and more success in future. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
So guys, if you like the video, do like it, share it and subscribe the channel. Let's crack it.